Hi, this is Prem Naidu. Today I'll be explaining about if-else condition in Lightning Web Component. Okay, so I'm just creating a Lightning component. If-else condition. Okay, so API. So by default, I'm declaring one Boolean variable. By default, I'm setting it to false. Okay, so expected token. Okay, right. By default, I'm setting it to false. Okay, so now, template if true equal to Boolean. So this is basically, so this block will be executed whenever it is true. Okay, so template if false equal to Boolean bar. So by default this block will be executed because by default we are setting it to false. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll create a button. Whenever user clicks on a button, then I want to display the form. So I'm creating a button. On clicking of this button, I want to show the form. So the name of the method would be show form. Okay, so show form. Okay, so whenever user clicks on this, whenever user clicks on a button, then I want to display the form. Okay, so I'm setting it to true. Okay, so now whenever user clicks on a button, then it will enter into this block. Here I'm just, so here I'll be creating 4 input fields. Lightning input type equal to text, label equal to first name, lightning input type equal to text, and then label equal to last name. I'm creating one more field, lightning input type equal to email, so label equal to email address. Okay, I'm creating one more field, lightning input type equal to phone, and then label equal to phone number. Okay, so I'm saving it. Let me create an application. So I'm extending it. Extends equal to force.sles. It will acquire the properties of Lightning Design System. So the name of the application is if else condition. So I'm just including the component name. Let me save it. So I'm just pushing the code to the source arc. So lightning input. So there is a spelling mistake. So no module named lightning input. Okay, so this is spelling mistake. Okay, I'm saving it. Okay, so everything looks good to me. Okay, so let me refresh. Let me open the Visual Studio Code once again. Okay, so let me push the code to the source arc. Okay, so now I'm pushing the application to the source arc. So our application name is if else app. Okay, so let me open the if else app. So let me refresh it. Okay, so it got success. Right, so I'm just opening the application. So I'm just clicking on preview. Right, so I'm just clicking on form. Right, so the form is coming, right? So now what I'll do is I'll create one button here. Whenever user clicks on cancel, then I just want to navigate to the first page. First page in the sense, I just want to display the show form button. Okay, so I'll be creating one more button, lightning button, label equal to cancel. Okay, so let me hide form and then on click off hide form. Okay, so saving it. So let me create this method in the JavaScript. So I'm just setting it to false. Okay, so let me push this code to the source arc. Okay, so let me refresh this. Right, so I'm just clicking on show form. So let me click on hide form. Right, so this is if else condition.